Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. We're in the paint booth today. What you're looking at here is Larry's SGI body. It's in epoxy primer now. We did the Herculiner on the bottom side. He wanted the whole bottom side finished. This is a great way to keep your body from rusting out. If you're not worried so much about restoration quality, this is a fantastic way to go. You've seen me do it on other projects. Here are the underside of the fenders all finished up. There's one. Here's the other one. This will extend the life of your Jeep tremendously. Some guys like it, some guys don't, but it is a very good way to do things. We're going to do a little seam sealing today on the inside. On the outside, you don't need it so much. The stuff soaks right into all the joints and stuff. This is real good on the bottom. I do recommend painting this. You've seen other projects where I painted it. You can put a urethane single stage on that. You can run a base coat on there and then clear over the base coat. And that's what I usually like to do. I think it looks best, but you can leave it black if you like. No big deal. Now the SGI bodies I can get in bare steel, and this body came in bare steel, but the fenders, the tailgate, the hood, the windshield frame, all that stuff comes in the heavy primer that they use. So I did have to sandblast all that off and get down to bare steel. Now the body here, Larry, is, again, now if you got this from SGI in primer, it'd be a thick primer. You wouldn't see any of these spot welds. You wouldn't see any of the little boogers in the steel. This is a perfect platform for, you can do your body filler right on here. I know there's a debate about bare steel and putting your filler over epoxy, but epoxy is the best way. I don't know if you can see it, but little stuff like this, just defects in the metal, you can fix that or you can leave it. But this is a good base to start with. So you'll do all your body fitting from here, Larry. You'll put the whole thing together. You'll do any filling that you need to do. You will just make sure everything fits together, and then normally I like to shoot some high build over the epoxy and sand that out with some 400 wet, and then put my my finished paint on there. But like I say, this is a very good starting point for you, and it won't rust or do anything right now. And this is where you want to be: bare steel and then epoxy primer. Now, like I say, the body came bare. I took and went over the entire body, every square inch, with 220 grit. Washed everything down 3 different times, and the epoxy is biting right into that, as it should. So that's what we're looking like, Larry. And like I say, I'm going to flip it over. I got a little stuff here. We'll flip it over. I got to make some touch-ups where the rotisserie is on. Right here and here, I got to get some epoxy in these areas. So I will do the seam sealing today. I'll flip it around. I'll get it off the rotisserie, make my touch-ups, and then you will be ready to plan your trip to come pick everything up. And this is where we're at today. Okay guys, a little seam sealing on the inside. What you're seeing here is 3M urethane automotive seam sealer. It's black, and that can be painted over without any trouble. And I gave everything on the outside here. I think you can see it's still a little wet. I gave everything another quick coat on there, on the cowl, on the sides. Inside's got 2 coats, outside has 3 coats. Hood, windshield frame, Larry's got 2 coats. Outside of the fenders has 3 coats. And as you can see, I left the black there. You could take that wherever you like it with your color. But we're going to jump out of here now, let everything dry. And later on, or tomorrow, I will get this off of the rotisserie once everything is good and hard, and I'll be ready for pickup. So you can start planning your trip, Larry. I know Thanksgiving's coming up, so I know you don't want to be on the road during the holiday traffic craziness, but whenever you're ready, it will be here waiting for you, and you can take it from there. Okay, everything's looking good. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will catch you on the next video.